Hello smart people! Welcome to our new video about my living room setup. So as you can see, when I walked in the room, light didn't turn on. That happened because I have my curtain open and there is still enough light here, but once I close them, light instantly turns on. Let's check it out! Pretty nice. So it's not the only one way to automate your light. There's also additional setups for sunset or after specific hour. For example, if you want your light to turn on only after 5 p.m, you can do it in our application. Let me show you. So here is my dashboard. Let's go to living room. In living room you can see additional. In additional I have a light additional automation. Currently I have turn light if dark only and also light automation mode as no, which means anytime. I also have after sunset and custom time. So if I click on custom time, I can select the start time and end time. Let me put start time as 5 p.m. and let me put end time as 10 p.m. Pretty cool. Light automations are good, but what can be better? I think it's combination with other devices. So let me show you how my light works with TV and a speaker. Let me turn on TV and I expect my speaker to ask me a question.
The TV was turned on. Would you like to turn on cinema mode?
Yes.
Okay.
As you can see, it turned on cinema mode. It was done specially for watching movies. So let me turn off TV and I expect another question. Probably in a couple of seconds.
I noticed the TV was turned off. Would you like to turn off cinema mode?
Yes.
Okay.
So when cinema mode is done, it's back to normal. So far, I have only one light in this room. So that's why I just dimmed down the light here. But with other setups and additional lights, it can be customizable. For example, if I have a strip light here, I can turn it on and turn off the primary light. I think you barely can see me. That's because my aisle is dark. But once I close the doors, light instantly turns on. It helps me to see items in my closet. Pretty easy and convenient. Last but not least, my entrance. As you can see, once door opens, light instantly turns on. And it will be here till I am in this room. That's all I have for today. Leave in a comment what room I should observe next. And as usual, like, subscribe, and don't hesitate to reach us and make your home smart.